It's car wash time for River's 4th birthday. It's his favorite thing ever. Right, River?
Yeah. What do you think?
Wow, that's a car wash. What's it gonna do? What's it doing? Remember, River, when you used to be a little scared of the car wash? It's not scary at all.
I did bid. I started car wash and I did bid.
Yeah, when you're a big boy now, you're not
start
scared.
A car wash when you get big?
Yeah. I hope not.
Wow.
I guess it wouldn't be the worst business in the world.
This is pretty cool.
Yeah, I thought you'd been in here. That's weird.
Wow, look at those spinners. That's just like your little car wash.
Yep.
Up here it goes.
Whoa.
Wow.
It's spinning.
That's a down one.
That one's going down. It's coming right for us. Ah!
Hey, silly.
River, are you how old? How old are you today? Huh?
He's busy with the car wash.
Help him out. Some video.
I'm 4.
You 4 years old? Wow. Ah! Car wash. Wowee. All right, where we're gonna go next? Go another car wash?
Yeah, which one should we go to next, River?
We're only gonna go like 2, right?
It's still stopped. There's only 4 car washes in here.
Let's see, which car wash should we go to next?
Should we go to Rock One Car Wash or the car wash over by Medicine Shop?
Where did it stop?
Or there's the other car
Red
wash.
means stop. You're right.
Since we're going that way, we could go to the ones on that side of town.
This is 2015. River is 4 years old. We're going to all the car washes in town. Because we're weird a little bit. But that's okay. Uh-oh. Car wash got some dirt on our
It's
car.
River's birthday present to go to the car wash.
I know.
Isn't that right?
They got pizza at this place too, you know.
This is your birthday
They
present.
should just hand you out Domino's pizza out a window over here while you're getting your car wash. That'd be a perfect thing. Look right over there. They should put a window. That's where they're cooking that pizza. They should hand you some pizza.
There's one more.
It's almost done, isn't it? You think?
Yeah.
Yep. I think it's all done. Here we go. It's raining on our car. It's a hurricane. It's a hurricane on our car now.
Is that awesome?
Go to another one.
Go to another one.
Okay, we'll go to the one this way.